ETH cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost diagram, which most certainly is genuinely huge. ETH sort of appearances opposition at $1,364.37, which all things considered, is genuinely huge. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum sort of is floating at $5,546,097,697. Truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The EMA 50 really is presently at $1,421.10, which especially is genuinely huge. 19 July 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these as often as possible. Truly gotten clarification on some things facts. What really is extremely momentary cost expectation for Ethereum, fundamentally is ETH and in every way that really matters, wise venture, or so they by and large thought. Ethereum support and opposition levels, and so on and in every way that really matters, huge way. In any case, prior to jumping certainly profound into the ETH specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us by and large discussion about the fundamentally current economic situations, or so they generally thought. Market examination over the essentially last 24 hours, there by and large was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the especially whole digital money market to $1,198,816,136,743 in a for the most part significant manner. The complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $30,093,017,822 in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 48.37% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level, after a decay of 0.14% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.15%. Coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours, essentially further appearance, how various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.15%, coming to $1,899.09 during the past 24 hours, or so they generally thought. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time period. So market investigation over the essentially last 24 hours, there certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole cryptographic money market to $1,198,816,136,743, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. BNB, the sort of local coin of BNB, fundamentally is up by 0.18 and presently exchanging at $240.64 in a truly significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which essentially is very critical. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market truly is going in a truly descending course for sort of present moment, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. As of now, a truly broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they by and large thought. Ethereum backing and obstruction backing and opposition by and large are significant specialized pointers used to really distinguish pretty key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Support is a level at which purchasers truly become commonly more kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally shows what in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14%, which sort of is genuinely critical. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers really become move essentially dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of Ethereum. Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum, ETH, really is at $1,899.09, up 0.15%, in the kind of beyond 24 hours and for the most part has a value change of 0.13% over the course of the week in a genuinely significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC certainly is 5,546,097,697.00 United States dollars, while truly complete market cap came to $228,268,790,079 United States dollars. Fundamentally further appearance how the EMA 50 essentially is right now at $1,421.10, which really is genuinely critical. There basically are very nearly 120,199,213 explicitly are available for use out of 120,199,213 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum Value Examination ETH Cost Examination for 19 July 2023, inside a day-to-day time span, especially made sense of beneath, which truly shows that 19 July 2023. In this video, we will especially walk you through Ethereum cost investigation for now, or for all things considered, 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these regularly explicitly clarified some pressing issues, facts. What in a real sense is by and large momentary cost expectation for Ethereum, generally is an excellent speculation, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. We utilize pretty relative strength INDEX RSI, moving most certainly normal union and uniqueness, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and dramatic moving especially normal, EMA to by and large dissect the future development of the Ethereum.THEMACD line. Most certainly is remaining above of the sort of sine line, after a really sure hybrid, showing how while distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 80 cents, following a value change of 5.65% inside a similar time span, so market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,198,816,136,743 in an especially significant manner. Ethereum financial backers need to truly sit tight for any directional change over the sort of everyday outline, which certainly shows what truly brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $29,837.66 level after a decay of 0.14%, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. RSI suggesting combination stage while exchanging at 42 and in a real sense is attempting to generally break out of the lack of bias zone, further appearance how which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $29,837.66